Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to watch YouTube together with your friends on Discord. Watching videos together is a fun way to share content in real time and enjoy reactions with friends. We will walk you through how to set it up. On your Discord dashboard, make sure you are logged into your account. If you are on a call with your friends and want to share YouTube or watch it together, all you need to do is click on Share Your Screen. After clicking, choose the YouTube tab that you have open. Then click Share. As you can see, it is now streaming the video that is playing. This works the same way as any regular screen share on a Discord call. And that's it. We have successfully shown you how to watch YouTube videos together with friends on Discord. Now we can all enjoy favorite videos and share the experience with friends in real time.